Alright, this year's tribute store is a department store. And Amber, I gotta hold Amber back. Hold on, don't go. I'm just kidding. Here we go. Oh wow, that's cool. Wow. Fresh cut trees, everybody. Wow. Happy holidays from Universal. We got a beanie. Oh, since Amber's into the thing, but it says happy holidays.
Well, I mean, it was for everybody though, too.
I know. And then you have these. Amber has those, but they're Mickey.
What?
The lights. Oh, wow. Look, they have ornaments. Over here we have shot glasses instead of glasses. That's what we should start collecting. Instead of the glasses, the shot glasses. Amber says no. Oh, for like cake batter. Snowman, gingerbread.
These kind of feel like they might break easily.
They're flimsy?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they are flimsy. Yeah.
And they're $9.
$9, but the spatula is what counts, right?
I mean, yeah, look. It's decent.
Oh, yeah.
$9 for a spatula.
I know. They have an advent calendar as well. Ooh, I see another advent calendar that looks pretty good. Oh, cool. Earrings, headbands, the like. Look at this tree though. This tree is really cool. Oh wow, you can be an elf. That's cool. And then you have socks. Amber didn't get to show the socks, but I get to this time. And then you have like a stocking or a hat that like kind of wiggles. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Amber, wiggle, 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 wiggle. I know, I wanted to look at this one. This is another advent calendar that looks really cool. Hashtag 100 and something. 116?
Yeah.
It's not horrible. And then you have a couple of lights and ornaments. Do they actually come out?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Watch it. Oh my.
Oh, that's cool. That's clever. I still like the one over in Old Town San Diego. Or Old Town Albuquerque.
Yeah, that was a nativity story.
Yeah. They have a drink holder. Over here, they have more ornaments. Wow, that's cool. So they have like the squirrels with the truck, and they're putting the star up. That's neat. Oh my goodness.
Oh no, thank you.
And then you have Earl the squirrel.
Yeah, I bet it's nuts.
One of the keys that we always learned about with Universal is you always want to look up. Up here they have a tree with the Coca-Cola advertising, which is really cool. And then over here you have Santa Claus and lights and stuff. And look at that, that was really cool. It's like a little tramway, Christmas tree, Christmas town. I like that. That's cool.
See that?
Yeah. And then you have Coca-Cola product ornaments and stuff like that. Coca-Cola. More advent and all that kind of stuff here too. Oh, they have a miniature one. Everyone knows, everyone who lived here in the United States, I think, had one of these at their grandma's house. Oh, wow. That's cool. They have Christmas cards.
No.
No, they're not? They look like it.
It's a journal.
It's a journal? Holy cow. Wow. It's all Harry Potter. Harry Potter. They got honeydukes. Wow. And then they have butterbeer. Amber yelled at me because I haven't gotten her butterbeer yet. They have the chocolate frogs. They have ornaments with like different characters on it. Amber found some headbands and some ties. You know, Dad always wants some ties. Somebody would what? What did Amber find? It's a journal. No, it's different. It had a bigger seal on it, metal seal. And then up here, always look up, is like wreaths and stuff. Oh wow, they have snowmen. That's clear. Oh, yeah. The sorting hat. Nope, I was going to say the naming hat. That was going to be really off. But like I said, guys, you always want to look up. Look at this. This is over here in the corner. So they have a lounge fly bag. I like it. $82. I like it though. I like it. And then they have this. What is it?
I have one with an A on it.
So they have plushes over here. They have Dobby. Wow. They have a snake. $20. I'm assuming they're probably all $20 a piece. And then they have Legos. They have a Christmas Lego set, and then books that we got our nephew. And then look at the tree. I like it. So over here they have like signs of like the different like departments and all that kind of stuff. We just left the second floor. The third floor is Hoovier. And then we have north of the border on the fourth floor. We have Whoville and holy stuff. Holy cow. So we have nothing but Grinch stuff. Kind of the same stuff that we saw over there at Islands of Adventure. And then they have the book. And then they have a little puppy.
You never saw what?
The little puppy. I like it. That's really cool. And then over here, you get a wax figure of coming soon. I'm kidding. I don't know what it's going to be. It looks like it might be a Grinch. Building it as we speak. And then Amber still is debating on if she wants this lounge fly. Oh my god, get it! And they have the original Grinch that we all know and love. That's really cool. And you can do naughty or nice to blanket. And then you have, for your Whoville, is you have a car with Grinch and the frame, that's what they call it. And then you also have the Grinch. And then you have the pancake house. Ooh, Amber, that one's fluffy. I didn't remember that being fluffy. Oh, that's cool. Amber.
So if I get this,
That's $150 that Amber wants. It's coming out of your allowance, Missy. This is really cool. All right, we're going to north of the border. So that could be Christmas. That could be North Pole, Canada. And you can smell the sugar.
they probably have the
Smelter, yeah. That's just nice. Look at this tree. Look at this tree. Oh my god. And then you have a whole bunch of stuff. Last year was all about Earl. This year it's not. But look at this. So much like most of the other cups I have, they have this one for Earl. I'm going to pass this here. They have a Spirit jersey that says Merry and Nutty.
You like that one?
That's not bad.
This one.
And that's the that's the front of it. My Siri went off. Balsam and pine doesn't smell too bad. It's very fruity smelling, but it's not like piney.
It's not like overpowering like all the other ones are.
Oh wow, they have a whole bunch of stuff. They have like a Christmas tree macaroon type looking thing.
They have a hot chocolate bomb.
They have bombs, hot chocolate bombs, and I'm not sure what those are in the middle, but they look pretty good too.
Yeah, I think those are pretty.
Wow.
Sorry. Exploded by nostalgia. It is gingerbread.
What are these? Is this a magnet? I don't know what this is. Oh, there's like snow. Look. I don't know. Hopefully you guys can see it. Let me get it better. Look at the snow. Ah, it's so cute. Gift tag. This is what I was wanting to show Brian.
I don't know how to make one on it.
I like this store.
Oh, look at it's a jacket or sweater. Sweater. This one is mistletoe pines. The annual pass holder one. This one's like the other one, but it's an annual pass holder kind. So this one's like more sweeter. It's $26. It's Rudolph. So as you exit down the hallway, Brian got our snackies. Ooh.
This is like a Earl.
We went to Earl's tree farm.
No, that's what that was. Wait, can you look
It was
outside?
kind of like the one that we saw. What was it like?
Last year.
It was last year.
Yeah.
Cute. What did we get? What is this?
It's a hot chocolate.
It's all edible, right? It's a hot chocolate cup.
It's a mousse cup.
Mousse cup.
Yeah, it's a mousse cup.
Mousse. It's a mousse cup.
And then inside is different flavors. This one is hot chocolate.
And they had what other ones?
They had eggnog and then tiramisu.
And then what's the other thing we got?
I just got this because it looks so cool.
Cause what?
It looks so cool.
Brian got it because it looks so cool. It's hazelnut flavored.
And chocolate.
Ooh. You gonna go first?
No, I'll let you go first.
Oh, this time you're gonna let me go first? Surprise, surprise. All right, Brian, your turn.
I don't like it.
It's super sweet, right? It does not taste like hot chocolate.
No.
It tastes like marshmallows. Like super, super sweet marshmallows.
There's no chocolate snake flavor at all. Maybe you can do it.
Yeah, try it with it.
I don't like it.
Is it better with it?
Better.
But it's still sweet.
Yeah, that's bad taste in your mouth. Like marshmallow flavor.
Yeah, I agree. Next is the macaroon, but it tastes like a cookie to me. It has good flavoring, but I just think everything's so sweet when you get it at the bakery. Like, I don't have to put that much sugar.
I want to do the what looks to be like Oreo.
Has good flavor. It's just sweet again. At least to me. What do you think?
I'm not big macaroon texture guy.
But it tastes like a cookie.
Ish.
Oh,
Texture of macaroon.
really?
In my opinion. It's not the flavor though. It's not bad.
I like this one more than that one, but it's okay. It's just really sweet.
I didn't get the sweetness of it.
You didn't get the inside of it. You need to get. No,
It's not sweet. It's bitter chocolate.
it's sweet to me. Oh well.